Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to do is select our models and create a Lightmaps channel. This channel will allow us to bake our scene in Unity or Unreal Engine. We name the new UV channel Lightmap. We assign this same channel to all objects in our scene. It has to be an individual channel for each object. With the model already having the correct OVs, we can simply pack islands. We give a lot of space so that there is no overlap. We can repeat the same process for the remaining models. We apply the scale to our models and we will place our gizmo in a strategic place. The normal on the face of this door is turned upside down. In this case, the red ones mean they are inverted. So we select the model, use Shift-N, and that way we can recalculate the normals on the outside. Now we select the models, using this plugin, link in the description. Change some settings, like set object name to data name. Each object 1 FBX. We select the format we want, Unity or Unreal. We click on Export. In the selected folder where we had the models, we drag them to Unity. We create a plane. It will be our floor. We drag the models to our scene. Also create the material to apply to our objects. Put the texture inside Unity, it automatically selects it. Let's organize the project a bit here by moving the components to their correct folders. Then we also drag our models to the prefabs folder. This will work as an instance. Now set up the scene using the prefabs created. After finishing this, go to Window, Lightning. Here we have the lightning settings. We change this to GPU. And put these values 32, 64, 64. Also add the denoise settings. And the ambient occlusion. We select our directional light, rotate it until you find a beautiful position. Set it to baked. We selected all the objects in our scene and set them as static. This allows them to have Lightmaps baked. Now we can just click Generate and it will start the bake process. Okay, now we have our scene cooked and with the beautiful light. There are now light bounces in our textures. You can see that even the shadows are really cooked. This will increase your game's performance by over 60% because the game will not calculate any shadows in real time. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this helped you.